Here I have LG V30 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key to unlock the device. Then let's find and select the settings, choose display. Here you have to choose lock screen and let's select the screen lock right here. So afterwards, let's enable some biometrics screen lock methods. So let's enable the fingerprints. Let's read the instruction, tap next. Before you add your fingerprint, you need to set some backup methods, some alternative screen lock methods. So in my case, let me choose pattern. You can require pattern to turn on the device, or you can choose no thanks. Let me choose no thanks and tap next. So let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap next again. Let's draw it again, just for confirmation. You have to choose your notification method. In my case, let's hide sensitive only. Tap OK. Now you can scan your fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is located right here at the back of the device. And now let's scan your fingerprint. So let's just tap a couple of times on your sensor. Let me tap OK. Excellent. Fingerprint is added, so now you can add more fingerprints, or you can choose OK. Here we've got some settings with your fingerprints, and now if you would like to just lock your device, let's press your power key right here. So let me press it, power key, and if you would like to unlock your device, you can enter the pattern, or you can do the same thing with your fingerprint. As simple as that. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.